Good morning, ma'am. My name is Jennifer D. Gaspar. Number one question. What misconception about youth learning video usually hit the day you time on their watch? Many people think if kids don't need help because they are smart, they can become frustrated or understanding the student. Not all kids get high grades. Some struggle with rundown or have twins exceptionality gift, but also giving a learning disabilities like ADHD and depression. Why is multi-criteria identification important? Evaluating only on IQ score night favor studied from heredity background who have more resources and highest use actually might be a critique genius that a hereditary test taking using multiple voice portfolio observation test ensures we can use different types of talent. Nutrition. Which educational approach do you think is most appropriate in Philippines classroom? Why? Differentiation. Reasoning giving that many Philippines classroom are overloaded. Acceleration. Skipping grades can be socially difficult. Repetition allows a teacher to keep the class together. You're giving the gift studying more complex tests, easier and more tests. It makes the inclusive education model promoted by different